Hey everyone, Mortaza here with Heartbeat, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up free trials for your paid memberships and paid offers inside your Heartbeat community. Let's dive in. To get this started, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the admin settings in the bottom left corner of my community over here. So I'll click on that, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and click on the offers section over here. This is assuming that you already have your Stripe account connected to Heartbeat. Offers is where you're going to go ahead and create paid products, and so I'm going to go ahead and click this create offer over here. I just want to make a really basic paid membership, so I'll click that. We'll call this a paid membership. And then we're going to go ahead and add membership tiers. So I'm just going to call this basic membership tier. We could add in a description. So I could say get access to exclusive channels, expert events, and courses. And then that's about it. This is going to be user-facing, just make sure it is content that you expect your users to be able to read on the payments page and the sign-up pages, things like that. I'll add in just a basic, let's say $50 a month price point. I'm also going to add in an annual $500 a year price point. This is pretty common. And then I could go ahead and choose what a premium member has access to. So I'll give them access to this marketing course, this marketing mastery channel, and then I'm also going to give them access to some exclusive templates over here, right? So pretty basic. So I've got all this set up. Now, to set up my free trial, all I got to do is toggle on this free trial button. It's going to be on the pricing screen over here. So I'll go ahead and click turn that on. And this is where I can actually choose the free trial options that I have. So I can choose the duration of the free trial. 7 days is really common. 14 days is common. I'd say 30 days is available, but less common. But you can choose kind of the free trial length that you want over here, and it's going to be in days. And then I got the option to require credit card information up front or have that come later. So collecting the credit card information up front, you'll probably see a slightly lower conversion rate on the payment page, but you will see a higher rate of people going from free trial to actually upgrading to the membership in the community. And then it's the opposite if you don't require the credit card information. So if I don't require credit card information up front, you'll see more people start a free trial, but you will see a lower conversion rate from free to upgrading to the paid membership. So that's just what you want to keep in mind. You can play around with that balance and run some experiments, but that's kind of the main difference between the two. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the payment collection up front, just so I can show you what this looks like. On the next page is I get some other information that I can turn on with my offers. I'm going to turn all of this stuff off just to make it really, really simple. And because I'm just going to make a really basic paid membership tier, when they don't upgrade to the actual paid tier, or say they upgrade and then they end up canceling, I want to block community access. So I don't want them to be able to access the community unless they resubscribe. So I'll turn this on. And then on the last page is I'll go ahead and choose any of my cancellation settings. I'm just going to use the basic pre-built cancellation flow that Heartbeat has. And then we'll hit finish. Now that this is good to go, I've got this paid membership set up. I'm just going to refresh the page just to reset my cache. This helps with the setup link, the sign up links. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. So this is now an automatic sign up link that's created for this paid membership. And this is going to link me directly to the actual payment page. So I can see this, and it's really clear and obvious to me that I get 30 days free, and then I start paying for $50 a month. And if I click this start free trial button, again, it's going to show this to me over here as well. So 30 days free, and then $50 a month. So total today that's due is $0, and then on February 9th, I get charged $50. So we make this as clear as possible. Each step of the way, your members are going to know that they're on a free trial as of right now, and then they're going to get charged on this date. So that covers everything in terms of setting up the free trials. We don't do any emails or pings to people before they get charged through Heartbeat, but you can actually set all of that up directly in Stripe. So to do that, I'm just going to go to this configure payments page over here, and then over here, I can actually click on the payment confirmation emails section and just click this manage option. That's going to take me to my Stripe account where I can go ahead and make all of those edits. I can choose if I want to send little notification emails before a payment is made. So all of that stuff I can set up and have completely automated through Stripe as well. So with that, that covers everything in terms of setting up free trials for your community. If you have any questions, please reach out to us just using the little help button in the bottom right corner of your community over here, or you can just email us at support@heartbeat.chat. Thanks so much for watching.